Welcome back, YouTube. On today's episode of Furnishing My House with my 3D printer, I am going to be doing a very simple print, very straightforward, so this will be a shorter video today. Essentially, I'm just going to be printing a bunch of small waste bins that'll fit, under your bathroom sink, under your kitchen sink, under your office desk, next to your couch. I mean, they're great to have out in the garage, great to have. So, yeah, I don't see any point in going out and spending, $10 or who knows how much they cost. So since this is a shorter video, I think it'll be a good time to kind of break down the cost analysis of 3D printing. The whole reason why I'm doing this is to save money. And I just want to show you an example of how you can save money by 3D printing. So in my situation, I just moved into this house. I have very little accessories, almost nothing. So I'm just gonna see how far I can take this and how much I can print and get away with it, because it is very cheap. 3D printing is very cheap. It seems like this, because it's, this mysterious technology, that it's like somehow beyond the normal capabilities of a regular guy, but that's just not true. This printer is $180. $180. Think about that. How many of you have a PlayStation in your house? Everyone. So, or an Xbox, PlayStation, Xbox, everybody has one. That's my point. You could buy one of these. Everybody could have one of these in their house. It's not that expensive. So $180 for the entire unit. Basically comes ready to go. You just have to, the bottom half comes like all assembled, and then you just have to assemble the cross beam here. Very simple. Easy instructions, just a couple of screws. Very simple. The plastic can cost between $15 and I'd say $30 a roll, depending on what kind you get. But the cheaper stuff doesn't mean it's worse. There's additives, like they have wood-filled PLA, they have iron-filled PLA, they have flexible PLA. PLA is polylactic acid. It's derived from corn. It's non-toxic, completely safe. That's why I use it. You don't need an enclosed system. It's very, very stable under like just room conditions. So I got a window here, right there. I have a window right there. So any type of, cold trap, which there will be having windows, it's not gonna ruin the print with PLA. It's very, very, very forgiving. Very forgiving. Having said that, it is also brittle. It's not very strong. It also breaks down under UV radiation. I have not had that become an issue yet, so I mean, the stuff I print with, the stuff I print with PLA is usually something that PLA can handle. Alright, so this is what I found. I really, really like this print. I think it looks really cool. You could just do a simple, just rectangle, but I think this looks really cool. It adds a little character. And it prints in base mode, which means it should be fast. Yeah, I just thought this one looked the most appealing out of all the other ones. This is by Omdoyas. Let's have a look. He posted this in 2021. Let's see what else he has. So he has a cool shift knob. That's actually a really good idea. Filament spool holder. That's a great idea. Cool treasure chest. Analog USB handbrake. Simple padlock. Shelf brackets. Oh, I'm definitely going to be using those. I will definitely be coming back. Simple cable hook. Oh yeah. We're going to be making some more videos of this guy's stuff. That's awesome. That is exciting. Yeah, so again, that's Om Doyas. And he uses an Ender 3 as well. So, I mean, you don't need a $10,000 printer to make quality prints. It's easier, but the Ender 3 is pretty easy to begin with. So, cost analysis time. A roll of plastic is 1,000 grams, and this particular plastic is $15 per roll. So this part weighing 112 grams means that it's roughly $1.67 in plastic alone. Then if you figure in electricity cost and just figure it's about 4 cents an hour, it took 8 hours, so it's about 32 cents. So essentially this cost $2. And I doubt you could buy something like this at the store for $2. I'm sure this, even at like a dollar store, would probably be at least $5. Doesn't seem like much, but it adds up, especially when I'm probably gonna print 4 or 5 of these to go around the house because they're just so convenient to have. Plastic shopping bag. There you go.